Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Today, we're diving into a beauty staple that's become a game changer for many. Lemoda's 13x6 SKINLIKE Real HD Lace Wigs. Specifically, this 12A Brazilian straight virgin human hair lace frontal wig that promises everything from an ultra-thin lace to a natural, flawless look. If you're on the hunt for the perfect wig, this might just be the one to give you that polished, real hair look. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me give you a rundown of the essential details. This wig features HD lace, which is known for being almost invisible against the skin, creating a seamless, natural hairline. It's made from 12A Brazilian straight virgin human hair, meaning it's as close to real hair as you can get. It comes with pre-plucked tiny knots and is designed with frayed ends for a more authentic look. With a 24-inch length, this wig is meant to give you that long, flowing, natural look without the heavy feel. I've had the chance to test out this wig for a while now, and it's been quite an experience. First off, I have to say the HD lace is incredible. If you've ever struggled with lace that doesn't quite blend in with your scalp, you'll know what a difference this makes. The lace is thin, delicate, and nearly invisible. It feels soft and breathable, allowing air to flow through, which is perfect for comfort, especially during those long days. And while it's ultra thin, don't be fooled. This lace is durable and doesn't tear or wear down easily. It's also so breathable that you don't feel overheated or uncomfortable wearing it for hours. What I really love about this wig is the 13x6 lace front. This gives you a wider lace cap on the sides, which allows you to customize the fit a little more. I found that this made it more natural looking around the hairline, which is key for any lace front wig. Whether you're going for a sleek, pulled back style or leaving some strands loose, the versatility of this lace front really shines. Now let's talk about the hair itself. The 12A virgin human hair is where this wig truly excels. The texture is silky smooth and straight, and it has a beautiful, natural shine to it. The hair cuticles are intact, which makes it easy to maintain. No tangles, no shedding. In fact, after a few washes, it's still holding up beautifully. If you treat this wig well, it can last for 1 to 2 years, which is amazing for a high-quality lace wig like this. In terms of usability, I did have to adjust the fit a little bit, which is typical for most lace wigs, but it wasn't difficult at all. The lace blends so well with my scalp, I didn't have to use much glue, and I love that I didn't need to tweak the hairline much since it comes pre-plucked. This saved me a lot of time when styling it. As with any product, there are a few things to keep in mind. The length, 24 inches, may be a bit long for some, especially if you're looking for a more everyday, manageable look. It's perfect for special occasions or if you're into dramatic, longer styles. But if you prefer something more subtle, you might want to opt for a shorter option. The lace can also require some careful handling because of its thinness. While it's durable, it's still delicate. So a little extra care when washing or storing the wig will go a long way. Now let's talk about value for money. At first glance, this wig might seem on the pricier side, but when you consider the quality of the materials, especially the HD lace and the 12A virgin hair, it's a solid investment. You're not just paying for the length or the style, you're paying for the craftsmanship and the longevity of the wig. If you're someone who's looking for a wig that feels like your natural hair and can withstand regular wear, then it's definitely worth the price. Of course, there are other lace wigs on the market, but many don't offer the same level of detail or comfort that this one does. The HD lace alone sets this one apart from the competition. Other wigs may use thicker lace or less durable materials, which can make the hairline less natural or cause discomfort after wearing it for a while. So, while there are cheaper alternatives out there, they often don't deliver the same high-quality results. The build quality of this wig is top-notch. The lace is expertly handcrafted by professionals, ensuring a snug fit and a seamless look. The hair, being virgin and unprocessed, holds up exceptionally well and retains its elasticity and smoothness even after multiple washes. The durability is something I really appreciate, especially if you're going to be using this wig for different occasions. As for customer service, I've had a smooth experience with the brand so far. They offer a responsive customer support team, which is great if you have any questions about fitting or care. They're quick to address concerns, and the fact that it ships from a US warehouse means you won't be left waiting forever for your order. So, is this wig a good fit for you? If you're looking for a lace front wig that's natural, breathable, and built to last, then yes, this is a great choice. It's particularly perfect for special occasions like weddings, parties, or even daily wear if you're comfortable with a longer, dramatic style. The HD lace and virgin hair really set it apart, making it a high-performing option for those who want something that feels as real as possible. If this review was helpful to you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and if you've already tried this wig, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing about your experiences. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.